So when we think about the mission and the vision of JSerra, we often use the words excellence. In fact, when you look at our mission statement, we speak of personal and professional excellence in life and helping our students pursue both of those things. So what that means on campus for us is everything that we do, from the quality of teachers that we hire, to the quality of facilities that we provide for our students, to the caliber of programs that we offer, they need to be at a level consistent with our mission. So what happened over a period of time at JSerra is we've been a young, fast-growing school. So as we look around our campus, a couple of years back, we engaged D&G in an effort to really help us to expand our vision of excellence as relates to technology, both in the classroom and in other areas on the school. We've been really blessed throughout this project with D&G because what we've been able to do today is provide state-of-the-art, modernized technology for all of our classrooms. And that's really had a big impact for us. A number of our teachers, for example, on campus are traveling teachers. They'll spend several periods a day in different classrooms. And whereas before, every time they came into a classroom, the projector would be in a different spot and the inputs would be in a different place, and you would need a different cord for a different laptop. And now what's happened is that all of our teachers have been able to be seamlessly mobile across all of our classrooms because they're walking in to the exact same environment wherever they go. So that's been a huge benefit for us and helped us to, in a very real, concrete way, live the mission in a very physical way here on campus for not just our students, but also our teaching faculty and staff.
Good teachers have a variety of tools in their toolbox that they can bring to bear in the classroom. And so when you have the best equipment, when you have the ability to make sure that all students can hear your voices, all students can see what you're writing on the board, all students have the ability to respond immediately with electronic devices, that ensures that instruction is at its optimum, and that was kind of the purpose for why we were looking to upgrade our systems. So it just brings to bear the fact that teaching has efficiencies when you have the best sorts of technologies in the classroom, and those efficiencies in turn help learning for our students. So there's a teaching component to this that's been advantageous, but more importantly a learning component that's been advantageous for the school. The impressions of our faculty and staff on the technology, I think initially was shock. They came in over the summer when a lot of these changes were made, and they saw that they had this new modern system in their classrooms that was just, they knew was going to enhance their instruction. So initially there was just the shock value of having what looked like a new toy on campus, but then when you actually get in to use it, and it's very easy to switch between the different modalities in the class, between a projector, the voice lift system. If you want to switch to different HDMI inputs at the push of a button, it just makes teaching, again, to use the same word again, efficient. And that's what's been really a fantastic value to our faculty, and it's certainly enhanced teaching and learning.
For us, it's not about gizmos and gadgets and wow factor. It's about how do kids really learn best. And what I've really appreciated about the whole process of working with D&G is the focus has been on what's best for students. It hasn't been trying to sell us a product or sell us the newest version of X, but rather really partnering with us in that conversation about what's best for our students, given our mission and our vision. So what I really appreciate about what's transformed our classroom experience across campus for our students is that you walk into the classroom and you can see the projectors in hanging from the ceiling. You can see the voice lifts hanging around the teachers' necks, but it also, in a really interesting way, almost blends into the background, where it's not the thing that's obvious, because it shouldn't be at the forefront. The faculty members, the students should be at the forefront of what's happening. But what technology has enabled us to do, it's seamlessly woven now into the classroom experience for students.
It was just great working with professionals in the field. They're hard workers. They anticipated our questions, anticipated our needs. If we had to get an immediate response, we got an immediate response. So just the team from D&G were just professional from day one to the end of the project completion. I would highly recommend them to any other school that's looking to upgrade their technological components.